Hello, I'm back again. I'm gonna take these two from you, thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. So, Happy New Year. No, not right now, but in a couple of hours it will be. So, yes. I will show you all the stuff I 3D printed over the time period of Christmas. So, yes. I printed this guy. It's pretty cool. And I printed I printed a ferret. It's very flexible. Like, very. But it has a tail missing. So now it just has a butthole. Wow, that's a terrible picture on my camera. So, nice. Where am I getting the other ones? I printed this. This is pretty cool. It's a scorpion, robot, but no. They're all over here. Right, I'll go back for that. Wait. Me down. Because I love Roblox, I printed this. Angels up in the clouds, I just saw we found. Alright, it's a dragon. It's really long, actually.
It's Wednesday, as well as New Year's Eve. We have the powerful final part of
Very long.
Since tonight, at the semi-final time.
That's nice. Can we get more? My sister absolutely loved this. It's an octopus. I'm gonna print one in blue for her. We can make it stand. Wait. Let me show you. Standing. I will go down. Wait 1 second. I'm gonna try and grab everything I can. Okay. Could you believe I know this took 12 hours? I know. Ow. The only thing is, when I get hot, it like tingles. So, I don't know if it does that for everyone. It does tingle. No, it tingles really hot. No. I printed a glow-in-the-dark cat. Printed actually 3 of them. Best cats. I'm gonna save that for later. I printed this. Kuromi. It's Kuromi. Then I printed Toothless. Anyway, it's hard to grab them all, right?
Hi, I'm Tom Dykoff. I graduated in architectural history in 1997.
And I'm Vivian Parry, and I read immunology and genetics, and I graduated a very long time ago.
And their captain.
Hello, I'm Lynn Faust. I read English at UCL
Yeah, I'm getting
in the
choked.
1970s. Hello, I'm Marianne Mashiri. I read Italian and graduated in the year 2000.
The team from Keble College, Oxford, took a little longer to get going in their heat, but after trading the first couple of starters with their opponent's hull, they then also dominated the middle part of their match.
It's so
Their
cute.
bonus conversion in that game was particularly
gap, though.
impressive, coming in at 74%, thanks to clean sweeps
The
on pop
turtle.
music, UK politics, and the author Penelope Gilliard. And their winners
Alien.
scored 200
There's more of these,
was
but
the
I'm just going to show you one.
round. Looking to
Alien,
lift
they're
the
all
final
at different
of this
heights.
competition for a second time are
This is the first thing I
economists
ever
who
printed.
of the Queen's College, Oxford. Children's Globe,
My camera's just gone off. There we go.
screenwriting,
On the
their
right.
captain, a technologist, social
Wiggy,
entrepreneur, and author
wiggle,
of
wiggle.
She's in Control,
Okay.
and a feminist campaigner and best-selling writer.
Wiggle,
Let's
wiggle,
meet the
wiggle.
team from Keble
Wiggle, wiggle,
once
wiggle.
again.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
It's
It's actually pretty detailed for only being printed for like 2 hours. Anyway, so they're like little bestie axolotls from my dad's, from mine. Look at their little faces. So cool. I printed loads of
English and
ducks.
graduated in 2012.
Wow, I'm so hot.
Welcome back. Very nice to see you recording each other. Nice to see you and your mascot. There you go. Things are buzzing
So
since your
I
first started
accidentally
to
printed
take
48 of
The name
these.
of which deity in Roman mythology is found in the
Yeah.
names of all of the following?
And then I
A short
printed some
story
more
by
after
Prosper
that.
Mérimée, published in
Drove my dad
1837,
insane.
about a statue that
And
comes
there's
to
a
life.
pink duck.
A novella of 1870
Pink.
by the Austrian author Leopold von Sacher-Masoch,
Bigger than
and the common name of the
the white
plant
ducks.
Dionea muscipula. Notable for
Now,
being fusil trust.
let me see if there's any more.
Yes, as in the Venus
Because
of Eel, the Venus of
there's-
Bird, and
that
Venus
pile
of
is a
Saturn.
pile.
Your bonuses then, UCL. 3 questions on a
Is
film
there any more?
released in
I don't think.
1975.
Oh no, there's more.
According to Variety, which film based on a novel of the same name by Peter Benchley was Hollywood's first summer blockbuster and, quote, established
There's
the
like
template
2 more.
for Star Wars, Jurassic Park, The Avengers, and the other defining smashes.
I'm gonna do it this way. So,
In the film, World War II veteran Quint.
it's like a radioactive dinosaur, but it like clicks together.
His monologue is based on the true events that occurred after the sinking
There we
of
go.
the American naval ship
Radio.
on the 30th of July.
The green bit is glow in the dark, as you saw it fly off. But and this is a purple butterfly. 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 There's nothing else. And I'm gonna do something that I've never done before. Do you wanna know what that is? Shout outs! Yeah. So I'm gonna do a shout out to drum roll, please. Holly and Cora, who've been watching my videos, and I've heard you've been talking about my 10-foot Christmas tree. So, thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Bye.